guys, I'm Fast Fingers. Welcome back to episode number 4 of American Truck Simulator. I've made quite a bit of progress since episode 3. Skills, let's have a look at some skills. Yep, I've added that one last time, the flammable. One more on fragile and long distance. We're doing quite good there. Progress wise, not far well. I've just made it into level 8, but I've been racking them in. I think we was level 4, wasn't we, when the last episode? I think we were just in level 4. So you haven't done bad off camera. Money wise, 107,000. So we're getting close. We're getting close to that. I think we need about 130 for his first truck, but we really need to get to level 12, which hopefully will be next episode when we buy the first one. So let's pick a job. Oh, actually, let's just change these. I had it on range and splitter, and it just seems to be making a bit of an arse up of everything. So we'll go back to range. Job market. We'll go to this chems one, Dynamite. Oh, we've got a soft side box truck on the back. That's nice. Truck with a day cab on. This should be interesting. Well, let's get this show on the road, I suppose. Well, managed to find first gear okay. Wonder how we're going to get up into the top gears. So there's 6th. Let's see if we can get into 7th. Yeah, so it is like split. Just strange. Okay. I'm cool with that. Suppose we'll have to be careful with having Dynamite on the back. Keep missing gears. Update on the track IR. I've made a video tonight on the camera modifications, so that sees infrared now. It works as well, it's pretty good. I tested it with the remote control from my TV, and it sees it well, so hopefully that'll be good for the actual 3 LED setup that I'll make. Right, got 40 down here. Don't want to go too fast. Got plenty of juice. This is the bit I always hate. Coming onto a motorway like this. The only thing we do in this, you go through the bloody gears fast. Maybe I should start skipping a couple. think what I'll probably do is I'll get going on the highway and I'll probably jump some bits, put some music in and speed it up or something like that. Otherwise doing 604 miles is going to take quite a while. It's going to be a long video, maybe too long. We'll see how it goes though. Wow, this truck's a piece of shit. I'm only in 8th gear. It's struggling. It just hasn't got the power to pull this trailer. They've given me a right crap truck here. Finally we're up to 48. Come on. Could walk faster. Oh, we're getting over. And slamming on the brakes by the looks of it. I'm thinking about starting another series on a different game as well. I'll keep this one going as this is my primary game, I suppose, at the minute. Oh, let's just get on this one. Freeway. Yeah, we're good. But I'm thinking of starting a series, a farming simulator. A really good game, and I haven't played it in a long time. There's been a few updates, there's some DLCs worth downloading, and maybe even some mods as well. I have actually made a farming simulator series before, but the quality was absolutely rubbish. I don't know what it is, but the encoding with YouTube just made a right mess of it. It made everything look real pixelated and horrible. But yeah, I'll still keep the truck simulator going. I really want to get into multiplayer. Try some out new mods and try all the trucks as well, to be honest. I think it'd be pretty cool to try some more trucks. Especially with the paint jobs and things like that. There's some really smart ones out there. I've been watching people play with like big Volvo trucks and stuff like that, and Jesus, some of the detail that's in them is amazing. Pretty cool. Los Angeles discovered, nice. Unlocked an achievement as well, apparently. That's 7th gear and we're just doing 30 mile an hour. Wow, it's really struggling to get up this hill. I really think they've given me the shittest wagon ever. No power whatsoever at all, it's just crap. Never mind. It is what it is. Oh, we really need a petrol station or we are screwed. You know what, I don't even think there's any on this road. Oh shit. Have a look at the map. There. We might make it. We might not. We've only got 75 miles and 76 miles left in the tank. I don't think we're going to make it. Just gonna have to hope nothing's coming. Getting tired, I need bloody diesel. There it is in front of us, but are we going to make it? 7 miles. Five. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. We might just coast in. Oh, how lucky was that? That was really lucky. Wow. Where's the rest area? Is there a rest area here? And here we are, coastline mining. I don't think I've been here before. Don't think so anyway. Let's get this trailer parked, get paid, get the funk out of here. Got all this room to play with. There we go. Job's a good one. 13,000 we got for that. 13 and a half. Well, that will be in level 9 in no time. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. That's it for tonight. I'll see you again in the next video, and hopefully I will be buying my first truck. I don't know what I'll be buying yet. I'll have to have a look at them. So peace out. Thanks very much for watching. See you later.